everyone, it's Jessie Lee, and I just want to tell you it is not going to be your family and it's not going to be your friends that build a business. I know that might be so weird because maybe you've been in a network marketing company before where people were like, make your list of 100 people, and it's like the people you go to church with, and it's like your girlfriends or guy friends, it's like your whole family. That is not how I built my business. As a matter of fact, if I look at our team of over 260,000 customers and 6,000 team members or something like that, there are 2 people I knew prior to starting direct sales network marketing that are part of this. 2, okay? So you don't need to know anybody, and I don't actually want you to harass your family and friends, because what will happen is you will reach out to your family and friends, they will say no, you will get disempowered, you will never even give your business a shot. And I don't want that to be you. What I want you to do instead is reach out to maybe people where they're just acquaintances, or maybe people you've done business with before, because you shouldn't be doing business with people who won't buy your ketones. That's just kind of the way. Don't get your nails done by people who won't buy ketones. Don't get your hair done by people who won't take ketones. No. Any lawn people, nothing, all right? But I will tell you there are a lot of easy ways to build a following on social media, especially if you're watching this video and you're kind of freaking out because maybe you don't have a social media following. Maybe you have 100 people on your social media. Maybe you're very nervous right now. We have a method that we put together right now that I want you to check out in the next part of this Betty the Bot, because this method is simple, it is fail-proof, and we have scripts for you too. So go, check it out.